Feedly is a better way to organize, read, and share the content of your favorite blogs. Creating an account is even free, which is the best part. I have already created a feed called Social Media Marketing. Within this feed, I am following blogs such as Adweeks, eConsultancy, HubSpot, QuickSprout, and Seth Golden. Now I am going to create my own personal feed on fashion. There are tons of articles on fashion, and this website is a great place to find them. All you do is type in what you're looking for using keywords or phrases. You can do this using the search button up here in the top right corner or coming down to the left corner, hitting add content, and then publications and blogs. You are then going to search for what you are looking for. It is so easy to create your own feed on what topic you're looking for. I choose to follow Fashionista. All you have to do is hit the follow button, search, new feed, fashion. And you now have created your own feed, and within your feed, you have all these different blogs. I chose to read Score the Best Deals of Winter Clothes with these 91 sales. I read this because I am always looking for ways to save. This article gave all the stores with great sales and how much is off. I never realized how useful and easy Feedly is when looking for a specific article topic, let alone I would never expect to find something on fashion and related to sales. Until then, this is Catherine signing off.